Hello friends, welcome to Geeky Banker YouTube channel. So this is mock test 13 for Iibf certification exam IT security. So in this mock test we have covered around 20 questions. So this is the most important 20 questions from your book, so that it will help you in clearing exam, the IT security. You will score good marks. So these are the questions which I have covered. So this is not a full video, this is just a sample video. Like, audit charter has four main areas. So this is proposal of audit, responsibility of auditors, authority of auditors, accountability of auditors. So this is the four main areas of audit charter. Just remember: proposal of audit, responsibility of auditors, authority of auditors, and accountability of auditors. Okay. Next, a server that is least power consuming and very eco-friendly is often referred to as green server. Okay, so these are just two sample questions. So for complete video, please download Geeky Banker app. And watch full video. So earlier we have uploaded around 12 more mock tests. So including this, there are 13. So if you will go through all these mock tests, definitely you will score good marks. So thanks for watching. Thanks again. And you are new to my channel, then please subscribe this channel. And if you like the content of this channel, then please share this channel over social media. Thanks again.